Hi guys, happy to see you back in my channel. Hope you all are safe and healthy. So today the recipe is Sri Lankan cheese kottu. This is the most popular street food in Sri Lanka. Full of flavorful and the aromatic, spicy, cheesy recipe. Almost everyone's favorite food, I think so. I hope you will like the video. Watch the video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss any notification. So let's get started. Take a thick bottom wide pan. Add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. to follow my Facebook and Instagram page. And don't forget to subscribe.